how to clear your direct messages on Discord. If you want to clear your direct messages and all of its logs, I'm going to show you how to do it. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative content like this. On that note, let's dive in. Alright, so you will need to download a plugin to delete all of your DMs on Discord. So after downloading the plugin, you will get this delete option right here. It says delete messages with on Discord. So in order to get this option, first go to your browser and go to Undiscord's GitHub. So search for Undiscord GitHub and click on the first link. This will open the GitHub of the Undiscord. So here are all of the process that you need to do. So you can read these step by step. First, you will have to choose your browser. So you cannot do this on the official Discord app. So you will need a browser. You need to use a browser, all right? After that, you can download one of these extensions from here. So I've downloaded this one called Violent Monkey right here. So if I just open this on another tab, as you can see, it has already been added to my Chrome extension right here, this one. So once you download this extension, you will have to download one of these scripts. So I have downloaded this Greasy Fork. So just tap on the link of the script, and from here you can install the script. I've already installed, so it is showing me a reinstalled. Once you do that, you can open Discord and log into your account, and from here you can just this delete icon will appear on your Discord, and from here you can just click here, choose the author ID as me, and your server ID should be your current ID, and your channel ID should also be current. So if I just want to delete this chat right here, what I can do is simply open this, and from here you can simply click on delete. So just tap here, server ID as well, and just simply click on delete, and it will delete all of the messages on your DM. And that's how you can delete all of the messages on your DM on Discord. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.